Friends, today is the 9th day. What's of the day 9th? We are giving you this word that is the scum. Okay, scum, and the meaning of this word is you can use die, you can use ground, go under. Okay, you can use depart. You can use depart, okay, and you can use also peg out, okay. These are the meaning of this word, okay. So what is the, and in Hindi you will say use fastener, okay. So how will you use it, okay? So how will you use it in your sentence? That is very important. Okay, so we have seen in the education system, especially in the education system, some boys or girls scum, S-U-C-C-U-M-B, scum in love, okay, and become failure in their life. Such type of people, they will never get success because they are wasting their time all day. There is a altercation, something like that. There is a fight between them. They do something wrong, okay, and they think about them. So such people they scum in their life, and after then actually they are destroying their life. So they scum in their life in love, and after then they become failure. So you will use such type of words in your language, okay, and